and roll. This is the A main event for stock trucks, 6 minutes long. Turn marshals, pay attention. Good luck, drivers, and listen for the tone. Long race, guys. Use your heads. Long race, long race. All right, so Giovanni Alcala with the early hole shot, followed by Mike Kennedy in second and Shane Good in third. So what happened to our TQ, Chris Boyce, all the way down to the 6th spot. Giovanni Alcala leading this one out in that yellow and red truck over the front side triple. That number 1 truck is the leader, followed by the 7 of Mike Kennedy and the 3 of Shane Good. That 4th spot going to be Kevin Williams. Kevin with a nice run up into that 4th spot. Sean Carlo running 5th. Art Pescatelli now moving into 5th right there. Sean Carlo going to drop to 6th. Chris Boyce in 7th. Halverson 8th. Whistler 9th. And DeVito 10th.
Come on, Larry. You're killing me.
You're killing me, Larry. All right. Giovanni Alcala continuing to lead this one out. Down the straightaway. Everybody that's still running is on the lead lap as of right now. Leader making it a double. Second and third going triples. So you still can't lead the race by double, and that's what Giovanni's showing right now. Giovanni, our leader. Mike Kennedy in second. Shane Good in third. Battle is for fourth. Kevin Williams. Sean Carlin, Art, Sean rolling over again on that double. So that's going to put Art up to the top 5 right now. So it's Alcala, Kennedy, Good, Williams, and Paro. New leader up front, so I missed Gio's bobble, but Mike Kennedy now is the lead. 3-way battle for the lead on the right side by pit lane. All of them down the straightaway. It is Mike Kennedy out front now. Shane Good up to second, and Gio going to drop down to third. So 3-way battle over the triples. Here they go. First, second, and third. Thank you very much, Turn Marshal. Good job. Going up the hill and over the backside doubles is your battle for the lead spot. Oh, inside move. Man, Kennedy and Good going at it as they come down the straightaway, but Gio is right there with them. We got 3 minutes down and 3 to go, halfway in this one. Everybody doing the doubles. Oh, Mike rolling over all by himself, so Shane Good now going to take over the lead spot. And Giovanni Alcala in the second spot. Chris Boyce finally making his way back up to the 4th spot, your top qualifier. Had a rough start, but making his way up now. The battle for the lead still over that triples. Oh, the leader paces it. And 3rd place gets into him. So now it's going to be Gio back out front, and Shane rolls over again. So now the top 3 pretty much spread out. Giovanni Alcala down the straightaway, your race leader. That's number 1. Mike Kennedy now up to the 2nd spot. Shane Good dropping down to 3rd and has a lot of ground to make up. 2 wrecks on 1 lap when you're oh, 3, another wreck now for Shane Good. And where is Chris Boyce? So Chris Boyce now trying to reel in Shane Good for that top 3 spot. 4 minutes down and 2 to go. And your leader coming up on that yellow, thank you. And that 29 is the number 9. Brian Halverson, leader is behind you. Go, 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 Brian. And Kennedy gets by. Help him out, help him out. And Halverson, 2nd place, is now the next one behind you. Don't pull over till he gets right there. Don't lose any time. So Halverson right in between 1st and 2nd. Oh, he tried to get out of the way. And so 2nd place, Kennedy losing a little ground. Oh, easy, that's 2nd place, that's 2nd place. So Kennedy getting hit by a lap car there. And Good rolling over again. So now it's going to be Chris Boyce moving up. Paro, that is the 3rd place behind you, Paro. All right, we're down to 1:15 to go. Here's your running order as they cross the line. Giovanni Alcala now with the sizable lead. Second spot is Mike Kennedy. Chris Boyce now up to the third spot. Shane Good running in the fourth spot.
1 minute to go.
Art Crescatelli running in that fifth spot. Kevin Williams running sixth. Brian Halverson seventh. Sean Paro eighth. Rodney Angelito ninth. And Keith Whistler 10th. 45 seconds to go, driver. 45 seconds to go. And that's third place behind you, Halverson. Thank you, sir. Go, go, go. So no real battles. Closest battle, actually, Chris Boyce now right behind second place, Mike Kennedy. So Boyce was all the way down in almost 10th place and now making his way up, battling for second on the right side. With 30 seconds to go down the straightaway to battle for the second spot. Kennedy and Boyce through the sweeper they go. That's the 7 and the 8 with Shane Good right there in the fourth spot. Gio has just got to cruise around with 15 seconds. They should all, top three should make it by for another lap at least. And possibly Shane Good as well. So with 10 seconds to go, here's your leader down the straightaway, number 1. And here's the battle for second. They're both going to make it by. And let's see if Good's going to make it. Nope, Shane Good, you got caught at the line. You are done, Shane Good. So only the top 3 making it by as you cross the line. Oh, Boyce throws it over. And Shane could have took a position right there, but he is already done. Finish the lap you're on, and let's give it up for your winner coming down.